Welcome to Nature Celebrations, presented by UUCF's Religious Education. These are poems read by our very own congregation in celebration of the natural world that's found around us. This is The Peace of Wild Things, written by Wendell Berry, read by yours truly, Natalie Dargatz. When despair for the world grows in me, and I wake in the night at the least sound, in fear of what my life and my children's lives may be, I go and lie down where the wood drake rests in his beauty on the water and the great heron feeds. I come into the peace of wild things, who do not tax their lives with forethought of grief. I come into the presence of still water, and I feel above me the day-blind stars waiting with their light. For a time, I rest in the grace of the world and am free.
Happy birthday to me, happy birthday to me, happy birthday to me, happy birthday to Nina, happy birthday to me. I love you, Maggie.
We love you, Earth.